Top 10 Nail Salon in Denver. 1. Nightingale Nails, a Ukrainian nail salon, 112 reviews, Acoma Street. 2. Wash Park Nails, 111 reviews, Pearl Street. 3. Milano Nail Spa Belmar, 4.9, 6,273 reviews, Teller Street. 4. Pearl St. Nails Head Spa and Hair, 4.9, 103 reviews, Pearl Street. 5. Pedi Cherry Creek, 4.8, 937 reviews, Milwaukee St. Unit B. 6. Fancy Nails and SPA, 4.8, 422 reviews, Leetsdale Dr. No. 210. 7. Adore Nails and Beaute, 4.8, 125 reviews, Brighton Boulevard No. 114. 8. Vogue Nail and Spa Denver, 4.8, 57 reviews, Leetsdale Dr. 9. Icon Nails and Spa, 4.7, 618 reviews, East Hampden Avenue. 10. Blue Sky Nails and Lash Highlands, 4.7, 298 reviews, and Federal Boulevard.